Okay, another day, another morning at the gang feeding table. So we've had them coming through this morning, roughly 25 again. This group here we've got 11, so yeah, roughly 25 each day. So yeah, it's mostly teenagers and young juveniles. We've got a few adults. Adult male there, and adult male there, but the rest of them are teenagers and juveniles. Just for interest's sake, this juvenile male, he's developing his next molt of feathers, so you can see the little red patch there on his cheek. So you can see how the pigmentation develops with each molt. Okay, we've got a naughty galah over here. It's gone. So yeah, nice little group of gangs this morning. Okay, galah's very cheeky. This is why I have to babysit the gangs all the time. They're just not a dominant cockatoo species like the other ones, so to get them on a feeding table like this I just have to constantly babysit them, otherwise they get pushed off by the other dominant cockatoo species. Hey guys,